Chef Jennifer Booker, the owner and executive chef of Your Resident Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Virgin Huckleberry Margarita. Here are your ingredients: frozen huckleberries, fresh lime juice, and margarita mix. First we'll add our huckleberries to a glass. You can also use a cocktail shaker. We'll add our fresh squeezed lime juice. And then we'll use a muddler to smash our huckleberries. You could also use a spoon and just mash it on the side of your glass. Next we'll add a margarita mix. And give the berries a few more mashes. And then we'll pour it in our glass of crushed ice. I'm Chef Jennifer Booker, your resident gourmet, and this is how you make a Virgin Huckleberry Margarita.